May I call upon the student followed by Warren Savio Martin.
खूबशा भुरग्यांनी आमी रांगोळी कॉम्पिटिशन दवरले, मागीर महिलां खातीर रांगोळी कॉम्पिटिशन दवरले, ल्हान भुरग्यां खातीर ते वेस्ट आउट ऑफ वेस्ट तेंचे तरी करपाक दवरले आनी हे सगळे प्रोग्राम आमी आयज पंचायतीन घडोवन हाडले. आनी आयज ते प्रोग्राम जे आमचे जाल्लेले आहा पळय त्या प्रोग्रामाचे आयज आमी तांकां प्रायज डिस्ट्रिब्युशन करता. तशेंच आमच्या पंचायतीच्या अंडर आमी ह्या वर्साचे कोण पळय आमचे SSC ग्रॅज्युएट आनी मास्टर्स 70 आनी अबाव कोण पास मार्क घेवन पर्सेंटेज घेवन जाय तांकां फेलिसिटेट करता. आनी आयज हो प्रोग्राम घडयतना आमच्या आमकां चीफ गेस्ट म्हणून लागला आमचो एक्स MLA ग्रँड सोसायटीतलो स्वयंपूर्ण मित्राचो आमचो गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर बाप्पायनी, आमचे एक्टिंग सरपंच सुनीता लोटलीकर, एक्स सरपंच अंजला मार्टी, फर्स्ट मेंबर राखी नावरोजी आनी रितेश बेळगांवकर. हांव आयचो हो प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट करतना तुमकां सगळ्यांक वेलकम करता.
आमचो लाल बहादूर शास्त्री हाचोय बर्थडे आसा. आमच्या गांधी कितें म्हणटा, शस्त्र बिस्त्र कांय नाका, बऱ्या मार्गान आमी चलून बऱ्या भशेन आमची सेवा करूंक जाय. त्याच प्रमाणे आज हांव तुमकां एकूच मंत्र सांगता की आमची जीत अशी आसूंक जाय की बऱ्या शब्दान आपले सगळे लोक एकवट करूंक जाय. न मारून ना वायट उलोवन हो मंत्र आमी सदांच कानान धरूंक जाय. आनी दुसरी आमकां एक सरकाराची म्हणजे आमच्या डिपार्टमेंटाची हे ऑर्डर येयली, स्वच्छ ही सेवा ह्यो आमी प्रोग्राम 17 सप्टेंबराच्यान स्टार्ट केल्लो. तो अप टू 2 ऑक्टोबराक आज आमचो सोंपता. आनी ह्या प्रोग्रामाक जे प्रोग्राम केल्ले ऑलरेडी आमच्या सरपंचान तुमकां डिस्कस केला. परत करो म्हणजे तूं वाजेत कितें
उगडास काडटा. तशेंच आमी आमची जी कामां आसता, आमी आमचे जे हे आसता वर्किंग कल्चर आसता, एथिक्स आसता ते मेंटेन दवरपाक जाय. ते जर आमी दवरले जाल्यार आमची जेन्ना आमची लायफ जगता तेच्या उपरांत आमी वील गोयंग टू इटर्निटी त्या वेळार लोक आमकां उगडास दवरले. आमी आमचे इमिडिएट फॅमिली मेंबर्स आसता तेंच्या खातीर कितें ना कितें करतात. बट एट द सेम टायम वी शूड ऑल्सो एन्श्युअर दॅट आमची जी सोसायटी आसा, आमचो जो समाज आसा ताका आमी कितें तरी करपाक जाय. आनी तेच आमचे हे 2 महान लिडर आसा तेंच्यांनी करून गेल्ले आसा. सो तुमी पयला आसतले स्वच्छता ही सेवा तुमच्या फाटल्यान बॅनर लागला आसतलो. तेजेर थीम बरयली आहा पळय, स्वच्छता, स्वभाव स्वच्छता आनी संस्कार स्वच्छता.
such a beautiful program they have organized for that Gandhi Jayanti. At the Nimtan, these programs have been organized. Also happens to be the birth anniversary of Lal Bahadur Shastri. He was always for Jawans and Kisan. He was working dedicated of that. And of course, Mahatma Gandhi always was against non-violence. He was a political figure. He fought for the freedom against the British, and also he believed in the truth. Satyam Galata, Mahatma Gandhi. And it's today 155 years and he's still being remembered. So you can imagine the good work they've been doing. It's been remembered in the past 155 years. After today, after full PD generation, they were already followers. Also, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Jawan, he fought for the Jawan. Of course, I spoke Jawan, I Nasa. We all secured. They protect all the borders. As well, what is happening today in different countries, like for example, Russia, Ukraine. Today itself, actually Iran has almost fired about 300 missiles on Israel, and Israel defended them, So all these things are happening in different countries. So our army today, maybe army navy is, all under the leadership of our Prime Minister, Narendra Modi ji, the Home Minister and the Defense Minister. Today our country is being on the forefront and really being a fantastic job is done by the present government of ours. So that is what we have to appreciate. Today India is a very safe place with a great economy. All these because of the good work of the Honorable Prime Minister and their cabinet and their ministers. So that is the beautiful thing. And talking about Kisan, farmers are the backbone of agriculture all over the country. हांव सदांच म्हणटा आयज काल आमी आमचे शेतां समाजाचे भायर आसा or fields or hills, these are the people we cannot touch. But I spoke that today there's different things happening, nothing getting destroyed. Who is responsible? People who are elected have to make sure it doesn't happen. And I'm totally against this from the day I've been elected as an MLA. I've been even speaking it in the assembly of hills and fields should be taken care of, should not be destroyed. Nothing should come on those. Because we cannot get construction on the hill. And of course, moment hill is destroyed, everything is destroyed. And we are singing today in a rampant thing happening in Albana constituency and state. So this is what is happening at the moment. And the farmers have been protected. Today, if there is a lot of sicknesses and going to Vatka day by day, I will tell you, बाकी स्टेट इन्सेक्ट कितना मात्रा पेस्टिसाइड हमको गवर्नमेंट आने पे कहता जो एंड एवरीबॉडी डायबिटीज प्रेशर प्रॉब्लम हार्ट प्रॉब्लम पीपल आर गेटिंग स्ट्रोक सम यंग एंड हार्ट अटैक्स व्हाई दिस आवर स्टाइल ऑफ लिविंग इज बिकम डिफरेंट ऑल्सो वी डोंट एक्सरसाइज ऑल्सो इज वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट मगर कितने होता है मर्सिडीज है गाड़ी है दैट इज द प्रॉब्लम आते लोग खूब चलते हैं कौन जॉन चलते हैं. So I think they all have to go and our children of today have to be educated, have to be told. We parents, grandparents, our grandparents who are living, they are the ones who are the right people who give the right input and knowledge. And we have to take it forward. And in which ways, today they have come here to felicitate. For postgraduate, there are some graduation, 12, 10. And also, congratulations, you got 70% above. Today will be felicitated by the Sarpanch, and let me congratulate them for the well performed. And also, who have all passed. This kind of opportunity got us now. Exam is just, we have to be the stepping stone to our future. Education is very important. Sports is important for good health. But today, people got 70% above and felicitated. कसे under आमचे स्वच्छता सेवा और कार्यक्रम आमचे ऑर्डर Prime Minister we started the seva pakoda from 17th on his birthday 1 year ago. The second of the from him now is और कार्यक्रम त्या कार्यक्रमात आज आम्ही आमच्या पंचायतीत वेगवेगळे कार्यक्रम त्यांनी ऑर्गनाइज करणे असं ऑलरेडी कार्यक्रम झाले असं पुण्यामध्ये प्राय शिस्त पद्धती फॉर एक्झाम्पल we are going to have Ganesh decoration competition as well. And this is the reference to the Abu Roge Moro, 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 Majarat, Dutton, Color Set, but Soleman, Color, Zaina.